Changing the email link to your Instagram account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the email. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings at the bottom. Step 4. Select Account. Within the Settings menu, tap on Account. This section contains various options related to your account settings. Step 5. Change email. Tap on Personal Information. Here, you will see your current email address. Tap on it to edit, enter your new email address, and then save the changes. Once you have completed these steps, check your new email for a confirmation message from Instagram to verify the change.